This is a short demonstration to show you how Dragon Medical Forms can be used from any PC or mobile device with a browser. The first thing the user is going to do is browse to the form's URL, and that will display the login screen, so users will be prompted to enter their username and password. The first screen you will see is your clinic list. If you're dictating on a patient who's not on your clinic list, you can create a new job and search the patient database. In this example, we will create a new form from a patient that's on our clinic list. To create your form, select the form that you'd like to use from the document type drop-down and click Create. So we're now ready to go ahead and create our form. You can either type into each of the text boxes or use speech recognition to create the text. T9 hemivertebra, full stop, new paragraph. 24-day-old firstborn male, comma, born by caesarean section due to head position and distress, full stop. Noticed on antenatal scan that he had a hemivertebra, full stop. He has also had a recent echo and renal ultrasound, full stop. Renal ultrasound is normal. Next field. On examination, he has normal limbs and hips, full stop. No sacral dimpling or hairy patches, full stop. He has a palpable knuckle at the deformity, full stop, new paragraph. This is likely to require surgery, full stop. I have gone over the diagnosis and prognosis with the parents, full stop. We will wait till he is about 1.5 to 2 years old before performing a short segment fusion, full stop. Next field. Follow up in 6 months with x-rays on arrival, full stop. To complete your form, you simply click Sign. So now we've completed our form. The data can be sent to other systems as structured data via HR7, or it could be submitted into the Dragon Medical workflow and produced as a document. In this example here, we'll see the form being distributed to a transcriptionist for distribution approval. So I'll just go ahead and maximize the desktop client for transcriptionists. This is our form here that we've just signed. So the transcriptionist double clicks to open the job. As you can see, the text boxes are populated into the correct areas on the template, and the transcriptionist can select transcribe to edit the document or approve to send the document for distribution.